Good morning, everyone. This is class 6th social science, and today we are going to learn chapter 7 Gujarat, location, boundary and physiography. So आज हम गुजरात स्टेट, हमारे गुजरात राज्य के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. You have studied about your district in class 5. Now you will study about your state. Look at the map given below and answer the questions that follow. You can see here 7.1 Gujarat political, 7.2 India political. Here is political map. Political maps means where all names of states, state capitals, or in state map, all districts, names are given. It is called political map. So political map में क्या होता है, जो एरियाज होते हैं उनके नाम होते हैं, कंट्री होते हैं, सीज होते हैं, उन सभी के नाम होते हैं. तो here is गुजरात political, here is our Kutch, Bhuj, Jamnagar. These are Gujarat states, districts. These are districts. This is district capital. Here you can see. This one is Gandhinagar, state capital. Gujarat political. Or here is Pakistan, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. Here is India. Gujarat is situated in west of India. This is west side. This is south. This is east. This is north. This is northeast. The state of Gujarat is located in the western part of India. It is located in western part. This part is western. It is flanked by the Arabian Sea in the west. It is flanked by Arabian Sea. This is Gulf of Kutch. This is Arabian Sea. This is Gulf of Khambat. So this area is Arabian Sea. This all area, this is Arabian Sea. The state of Gujarat lies between 20.06 degree north latitude and 24.42 degree north latitude. Similarly, it lies between 68.10 degree east longitude and 74.28 degree east longitude. So this is the satellite or actual digital longitude and latitude map of Gujarat. Boundaries. Gujarat has two types of boundaries, sea boundaries and land boundaries. Where sea is, this is sea boundary. And these are land boundaries. This is sea boundary or this is land boundary. Land boundary. Look at the map and answer the following questions. Madhya Pradesh is in the east. Arabian Sea in the west, Rajasthan in the north, Maharashtra in the south, and Pakistan country in the northwest. So this side is north, east, south, west. Now sea boundary. The Arabian Sea lies to the west of Gujarat. The sea boundary is 1,600 km long and is the longest sea boundary among all states of India. The boundary has the Gulf of Khambat and the Gulf of Kutch. According to the area Gujarat is the 7th largest state in India. Find out its positions in population. Expansion. The north-south length of Gujarat is 590 km and the east-west length is 500 km. The geographical area of Gujarat is 1,96,024 square kilometer, which is only 6% of India's total area. The land area of Gujarat is divided into 4 parts: North India, North Gujarat, South Gujarat, Central Gujarat, and Saurashtra Kutch. So this is called North Gujarat, South, Central, Saurashtra, and Kutch. Name the district of Gujarat through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. Sabarkantha, Gandhinagar, Mehsana, Patan, Kutch. Tropic of Cancer passes through here. Physiography. Physiography refers to the various landforms. The physiography of Gujarat state is varied. We can divide it into 5 parts. 1. Plains. 2. Hilly and mountainous areas. 3. Plateaus. 4. Deserts. 5. Coastal plains. 1. Plains. Plains यानी मैदान. The major part of Gujarat consists of plains. These plains are made up of alluvial soil and are therefore very fertile. The plains of South Gujarat and Central Gujarat are more fertile. The population is also very dense here. Hilly and mountainous areas. The hills and mountains are divided into 3 regions. 1. Tal Gujarat Hills. 2. Saurashtra Hills. 3. Kutch Hills. Gujarat physiography. So here are, you can see, plateaus. Plateaus are landforms which are higher than the sea level and are flat like plains in the upper part. The middle part of Kutch and Saurashtra are plateau. The plateau of Saurashtra is high in the middle while sloping and low towards the sea shore. Deserts. The deserts of Kutch are not sandy but full of salt. From a distance, on a moonlit night, the area looks like a white bed cover. 5. Coastal plains. Gujarat state has a coastline of 1600 km, which is very useful for international trade. During the past, international trade was carried out through the ports of Khambat, Ghoga, Bharuch, and presently through the port of Kandla. So, you can see here, this is गुजरात फिजियोग्राफी, यानी यहाँ पे कौन से जो पहाड़ हैं, नदियाँ हैं, समंदर है, मैदान है, प्लेटो है, ये सब एरियाज दिखाए गए हैं. प्लेटो क्या होता है? पहले प्लेन्स देखते हैं. प्लेन्स यानी मैदान होता है जो हम खेती कर सकते हैं, फ्लैट होता है जमीन. हमारे यहाँ नेत्रा में देख सकते हैं, नखत्राणा में देख सकते हैं. हिली एंड माउंटेनस, यहाँ पहाड़ी होते हैं ऊंचे नीचे, वहां हिली कहते हैं. फिर होता है प्लेटो. प्लेटो क्या होता है जो समंदर है उससे उसका जमीन का लेवल ऊंचा होता है और वो भी वहां फ्लैट ही होता है प्लेन की तरह. डेजर्ट तो आपको पता है, व्हाइट रन है हमारा. कोस्टल प्लेन्स यानी ये कोस्टल कहते हैं, ये दरिया का किनारा होता है ना, उसको कोस्टल कहते हैं। वहां पे मैदान आते हैं, उसको कोस्टल प्लेन्स कहते हैं। सो इस तरह से ये चैप्टर हमारा पूरा होता है। गुड बाय।